Hi there, I am the one, and in this episode, I will teach you about atomic number and atomic mass and elements and compounds. Okay, atomic number. First, you need to know about the periodic table of elements. It is a tabular form of all the elements which we have discovered yet. So there are 118 elements yet which we've discovered, and a few more might come in the future. So next, atomic number. I get straight to the point. Atomic number is the number of protons in the nucleus. Understand anything? Anything at all? Have you heard these terms? Okay. An atom is made of mainly three things: electrons, protons, and neutrons, which will come in the next video. And protons and neutrons combined are called nucleons. Nucleons combined are called nucleus. So the nucleus, in the end, is made of protons and neutrons. You can just say protons plus neutrons is equal to nucleus. Actually, it's nucleons, but just for the sake. Okay, so now you know what's a nucleus. So the number of protons in the nucleus is known as the atomic number, which is usually what is there in the periodic table. So number of protons, you should know this. Number of protons is equal to number of electrons. Number of protons is equal to number of electrons if it's neutral. Usually it's always neutral unless it's a radical, which is like Cl minus or something like that. Aluminium plus. So unless it's like that, then if it's neutral, there's no plus or minus in front, like after it, then it's neutral, and number of protons equal to number of electrons. So the number of protons or the number of electrons in an atom is known as its atomic number. So take the periodic table out or list of elements out, anything which is in order according to the periodic table, take it out and read it out. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium. We'll go keep on going ahead. So the first one, hydrogen. Second one, helium. This is the atomic number. You don't need to memorize it, but just for the sake. Now, atomic mass is something more complicated. Atomic mass is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons, meaning whatever is there in the nucleus. Okay? So, how do we know the number of neutrons? You have to memorize it. Or if you memorize atomic mass, then it'll be good. Because you can't say, okay, fine, I know protons, I don't know neutrons, I don't know atomic mass. How will you find out? It's like saying A plus B is equal to C. I know A, I don't know B, I don't know C. It's impossible to solve because you need one more. So if you memorize either the number of neutrons in each element, not each, that'll be 118 numbers will die. Okay, so either memorize some of the main like carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, the main stuff. Then memorize the atomic mass, which is best because then you don't have to do the addition. Or if you want to just know the neutrons too, memorize the neutrons and you'll find out the atomic mass. So again, the number of protons plus the number of neutrons is equal to atomic mass. Now you know atomic number as well as atomic mass. So now comes elements. Elements are like stuff when you break into, they become atoms. And each atom has the same like characteristics or properties as the entire element. So compound, you break it. Suppose water, H2O, break it down to H2O, one molecule of 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. You break it down. Now, once you get this H2O, if you break the H2 of the O and take the H2 and say hydrogen, does it have the same property as water? No way. Oxygen, does it have the same property as water? No. Otherwise, you just need to breathe in air from the atmosphere and you don't even need water because I'm taking hydrogen and oxygen, but no. A compound, smallest, which has all properties, is a molecule. Now you know those. Elements and compounds, I think which you already knew, and atomic number, atomic mass, which you learned new. Okay, so now you know that. Watch my next episode on the structure of an atom, and you will understand these completely. And as always, thanks for watching.